Most people trying Digistore24 affiliate marketing are doing the same thing. They pick random products, watch a bunch of tutorials, and just hope something works. But I stopped doing that. Instead, I asked Claude AI to build me a complete affiliate system. From what to promote to how people find it to how it could realistically make around $30 per day. And what it gave me completely surprised me. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly what Claude AI built step by step, and you can literally copy it. But there is one part of this system that decides whether you make zero or even get close to $30 per day. Now, if you've never done affiliate marketing before, that's actually perfect because I didn't want something complicated. I mean, no website, no confusing setup, no money needed to start, just something simple. So instead of trying to figure out everything myself, I let AI do the thinking. Now, before we even look at what Claude AI gave me, let me show you how simple this really is. This entire system of affiliate marketing, Digistore24 affiliate marketing, literally just has 3 parts. And when you understand this, it literally changes everything. Step 1 is to pick something to promote. The step 2 is to get people to see it. And step 3 is to send them to your link. That's it. No need for advanced strategy, no complicated process, just these 3 things. Now, here's where it gets interesting. So I went into Claude AI and I gave it one simple instruction. Act like a beginner-friendly affiliate marketing coach. Help me build a simple Digistore24 system that can aim for $30 per day using free methods only. Keep everything extremely simple, no complex marketing terms. Now, watch this. It didn't overcomplicate anything. It broke it into simple steps. Pick one product on Digistore24, create a free landing page, drive free traffic, and send the traffic to your page and then Digistore24. So literally, what to promote, how to get people, and how to connect everything together. Now, let's look at the first step, which is what to promote. You see, most beginners spend way too much time trying to find the perfect product. They keep switching, they keep searching, and they never actually start. But Claude AI simplified it. It says, you go to Digistore24 Marketplace, filter by commission, 50%, and pick a product in health, money, or relationship niche. And the reason why it chose health, money, or relationship is because these are the top 3 niches that are evergreen. So people are often always looking for solutions within this niche, which is basically saying pick something people already want. Not something complicated, not something secret, just something people are already interested in. Now, I'm going to take it a step further to ask Claude AI to help me pick a product. So I'm going to click this here right now. Now, can you see how Claude AI has literally broken it down and simplified it? Make money online/online businesses. Look for $20 to $60 per sale in commission. This is best for beginners. Why? Because it has a huge audience. It's literally easy to create content. Also, you understand the audience because you are the audience. So in Digistore24, I literally typed affiliate marketing and you can see tons of results here, which is an indication that this is actually something that we can leverage on. Other kinds of products you can also pick is like weight loss and fitness, and we can go for something between $15 to $40 per sale. There's also self-help and confidence, and we can go with a product within $15 to $35 commission per sale. It also goes ahead to give us 3 things to check before any product. So this is Claude AI literally doing the chunk of the thinking for us. So looking at the commission rate, it should be 40% or higher. The sales page must look clean and trustworthy, and the product must have real reviews, or if I should call it testimonials. I mean, this is fantastic, but choosing the product is not exactly what makes you money. And that's where we get to the second part, which is getting people's attention. Now, this second part is getting people to actually see what you're doing. And this sounds hard, but it's not. All you need is attention. That's it. No ads, no money, just attention. Now, platforms like Pinterest, TikTok, Quora, YouTube, they let you post simple videos and simple posts and reach people for absolutely free. And Claude AI literally says you need to pick just one source. You don't have to try everything. And this is where I see a lot of people failing, because they feel if I'm leveraging TikTok, Quora, and YouTube at the same time, then I'm going to reach more people. But instead, your attention is going to be divided and you're going to end up reaching less people. You need to pick one and stay consistent for at least 30 days. And Claude AI even makes it easier, because then you can literally just ask Claude AI to help create content for my Digistore24 product. Okay, so now it's asking what niche am I in. I'm going to pick something like self-help confidence. So Claude AI is asking what free platform, and I'm going to choose possibly Pinterest. And just like that, Claude AI begins to create a full content plan for your content, and which makes it so much easier. Now, once you have your content idea, the next thing is the link. Now, this part is the part people think is complicated, but it's actually the simplest part. You don't need a website, you don't need anything technical, you just need one link. Now, when someone begins to watch your content, for example, you begin to create several pins on this. For example, they click your pin, it's supposed to take them to like a bridge page, or like a page where you have like the content in detail. So when they read your content and they click your affiliate link, that link takes them straight to the product. That's it. No extra steps. Since we are using Pinterest, I'm going to go ahead and ask Claude AI to help me set up my bridge page, which is where my content is going to sit. Now, it even gives us a bridge page platform that we can use, which is systemy.io. It's literally a free platform where you can create, a landing page on. And Claude AI goes ahead to give us a detailed copy on what we can literally copy and paste into our bridge page, section by section. And then there's a link where we can attach our affiliate link. So when people click that link, it takes them straight to the product. So it's content, click, and then offer. Now, let's make this $30 per day part make sense. Now, Claude AI has already given us the commission range that we should be looking for in the different niches, depending on whichever that we want to delve into. So for Make Money Online, we can go with $20 to $60 commission per sale. For weight loss, we can go with $15 to $40 per sale. And for self-help confidence, we can go with $15 to $35 per sale. So when you think about it like that, you don't actually need a lot. For example, if you are in the Make Money Online niche, with a $20 per sale commission, you just need about 2 sales. If it's a $40 per sale commission, you just need 1 sale. And that is already it. So the goal isn't to go viral overnight. The goal is to stay consistent and let the numbers build. But this only works if one thing is right. Claude AI has already done 70% of the work by giving us a full strategy, every step-by-step action we need to take, and a full content plan that we can execute. But Claude AI doesn't do the work. If you don't post, if you don't stay consistent, if you stop too early, nothing happens, no matter how good your strategy is. The system is simple, but the execution is literally everything. So the real question isn't whether this works, it's whether you would actually implement it.